Okay, hi guys. So, this is part 2 of the review lesson on factoring by grouping and difference of two squares. Okay, so let's start now. So, we have here the first example on factoring by grouping. Okay, so factoring by grouping. So, in the first in the in the part 1 of your review lesson, we discussed some examples on how to get the factor of the polynomials using common monomial factoring, and this time we're going to have another example on. Okay, so we have here, for example, we have 5mn plus 25. So here, so 25m plus 3n cubed plus 15n squared. So how do we factor this one? First, we're going to regroup. So going to regroup, okay, the first two. So the first two terms, so get the GCF. We have the GCF is 5m. Then divide 5mn divided by 5m is equal to n plus 5, okay, plus. So the last two terms, we have the common factor or the GCF is 3n squared. Then divide 3n cubed divided by 3n is equal to n plus 15n squared divided by 3n is equal to 5. So therefore, so we have now the answer, get the common factor, and then 5m plus 3n squared. So this is now, that's the answer. Okay, so another number 2. So if we have 15xw plus 18xk plus 25yw plus 30yk. Okay, first we have to group. Okay, we have here 15 and 18. And this one 25 and the first and the second. Okay, so we have now the answer. So get the GCF between 15 and 18. So the GCF is equal to 3. Okay, so we have here 3x. Then divide 15xw divided by 3x is equal to 5w plus 18xk divided by 3x is equal to 6k. Then plus, then we have the common factor between 25 and 30 is 5. Then we have y. Then divide 25 divided by 5 is 5w. 30yk divided by 5y is equal to 6k. So therefore, the final answer, the factor, the answer now is 3x plus 5y times 5w plus k, which is now common between the two terms. Okay, so that's it. That is the factoring by grouping. And we have another. For you to understand more, we have more examples. No? So how about this one? 7. Okay, so we have color green. So we have 7xy plus 28 x cubed plus y plus 4x squared. Okay, so we group this one and this. So here, now look at this one. So we have 27 and 28x. The common factor is 7x. Okay, 7xy divided by 7x equals to y plus 4x squared plus, so we just copy this one because there's no common between variables. Okay, and here class, if you, this is the numerical coefficients of the numerical coefficient here is 1. So therefore, the final answer is color red natin. Okay? The final answer is 7x plus 1 times y plus 4x squared. Okay? Because this is equal to 1. Okay? Okay. Next. How about we have here the difference of two squares. So we have difference of two squares. Okay, so for example, if we have number 1, if we have x to the 6th minus y to the 6th. Okay, get the factor by finding first the square root of first term. So the denominator, the exponent here will be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, this is equal to 3. So this is also 3. And since this is difference, so we have positive and negative, or negative and positive. So same, we have here y. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And we just copy y cubed. So this is now your difference of the squares. That's the answer. Okay, next. How about this? Okay, so how do we get the factor? So we have square root of 81 is 9 minus the square root of 100 is 10, then n plus 10m. So this is the factor. If you have about, how about mom, if you have a fraction, let's say for example, erase natin. Okay, erase natin to. Okay, if we have a fraction, okay, we have 25 over 49 x to the 4th minus 36 over 100. Okay, y to the 4th. So what is the factor? So get the square root of 25. We have 5 over 7 x squared plus 6 over 10 y squared. And the other one is the difference. We have 5, just copy, x squared minus 6 over 10 y squared. Okay? Or if you want the final answer, you just simplify this to the lowest term. So we have, so this is now 3 and this is equal to 5. So the same, the lowest term. So we have now the final answer. We have 5 over 7 x squared plus 3 over 5 y squared times 5, this is 7 plus this is 7, sorry, 5 over 7 x squared minus 3 over 5 y squared. Okay, so that's the final answer. Okay, so that's it. So thank you very much for watching the video. So I hope you will watch the videos that I will make. No? So marami pang mga videos yan. Para lang to sa inyo class, para mas maintindihan ninyo ang mathematics. So alam ko na nahihirapan kayo because of our situation. So sana makatulong tong video tutorial ni ma'am. Okay? So that's it.